Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of DE Video News Roundup, produced under lockdown. This is Kenneth Wong, DE editor from San Francisco, California. Glad to have you with us. With schools and universities moving online, can you still teach additive manufacturing? To find out, we spoke to Professor Guha Manogharan, who teaches a graduate lab course in metal additive manufacturing and design at Penn State University.
Sure, it is definitely a different environment, but one thing I do emphasize to the students, and the students also understand that given the environment that they would be working after their graduation, where their company might have sites at different locations, we look at this as an opportunity to get even better at teleconferencing and working as a team from remote locations.
The program that Dr. Guha and his students use, 3D Expert, is from 3D Systems, one of the leading 3D printer makers. What you're looking at now is SolidWorks specific version called 3D Experts for SolidWorks users. 3D Expert lets you simulate what happens during the printing process, including the warping and distortion that occurs. The ability to predict the distortion that happens is an important feature for the students, as they no longer have access to the hardware to test print objects anymore. For now, they have been using data from the past courses as case studies, then work on their design. For the full interview, go to Digital Engineering 24/7. That's digitalengineering247.com, and listen to it under the story titled Can You Teach AM Under Lockdown? MakerBot, known for its consumer-friendly desktop and portable 3D printers, is now joining the face shield making initiative. The company says its output is currently 460 units per day. The overall team production is 1,000 units per day. The company's dedicated page for COVID-19 has downloadable STL files, printing instructions, and assembly instructions. There is an order form for hospitals and healthcare providers to fill out. The incoming requests are fulfilled by MakerBot and its partners. Carmaker GM is on track to deliver the much-needed ventilators. According to the company, it has been mass-producing the Ventec Life System V Pro ventilators in its plant in Kokomo, Indiana, in an effort to fill the ventilator shortage resulting from the rise of coronavirus patients. Here's the very first unit that came off the assembly line. In the fight against coronavirus, car makers and consumer appliance makers proved to be incredible allies. Ford and GE Healthcare have struck a partnership to produce and deliver 50,000 ventilators in Michigan in the next couple of months. They are produced in Ford's Rosenville plant in round-the-clock operations involving 3 separate shifts. GE Healthcare licensed the ventilator design from Aaron Corp as an air pressure-based system without the need for electricity. It's already FDA cleared, so it's ready to go. We have more news on how the engineering and manufacturing community are fighting back against COVID-19. Please go to Digital Engineering 24/7. That's digitalengineering247.com. Also, follow us on Twitter at DE Editor and on YouTube at DE Streaming. That is all for this episode. Stay safe and stay productive, everybody. I will see you again in a conference in the near future when it is safe to travel again.